How to open Santander Bank account online. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to open Santander Bank account online, open your preferred browser firstly and in the search bar search for www.santanderbank.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Santander Bank. On the top right, you will see the login button. Tap on that. If you are a user of Santander Bank already, then go ahead and enter your login credentials, that is your username and your password. Once done, tap on the login button. Just in case if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, then you can always go ahead and tap on Forgot User ID or Password option and recover your user ID or password. If you are new to Santander Bank and want to enroll, then tap on the First Time User Enroll Now link. In the interface that you will be led to, you will have to fill in a few details in order to enroll. Firstly, you will be required to enter your identification type. You can select from account number or ATM, debit or credit card number. I will select account number here. So go ahead and enter your account number. Also enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. If you do not have the social security number, then you can also tap on Don't Have SSN link. Once done, tap on Continue and now the bank will verify your details. Once the details has been verified, follow the prompt shown on the screen and with this, your Santander Bank account will be opened. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.